The Maldives, a tropical paradise scattered across the Indian Ocean, beckons with its exquisite beauty. Pristine, powdery white beaches fringed by turquoise waters create an idyllic setting. Overwater bungalows offer a luxurious escape, allowing direct access to vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life. The archipelago, comprised of 26 atolls, showcases a kaleidoscope of colors both above and below the surface. Snorkeling, diving, and water sports reveal the wonders of the underwater realm. Maldives' serene tranquility, swaying palms, and breathtaking sunsets epitomize tropical bliss, making it a sought-after destination for relaxation, romance, and exploration of aquatic marvels.